Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tinku Foodies. Today I'm gonna share a no yeast, no oven, gluten-free Ragi Oat Bread recipe. This bread is made with healthy, wholesome ingredients like finger millet, oats, flax seeds. It's very nutritious and easy to make, and it tastes amazing whether you're gonna use it to make sandwiches or top it up with some nut butter and fruits for snacking. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll make oat flour. Into a blender, add some oats and grind them into a fine powder. Oat flour is ready. We'll keep it aside, and now we'll add 1/4 cup flax seeds to a blender and grind them as well into a fine powder. Transfer this flaxseed powder in a bowl. Add half cup water. Give it a mix and let it rest for around 10 to 12 minutes till it thickens and turns into a creamy jelly-like mixture. Now we'll preheat the pan. Add salt, place a small stand, cover the pan with a lid and let it heat on low to medium heat. Now we'll add 1.5 cup oat flour in a large bowl, 1.5 cup ragi flour, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. It makes the bread soft and crumbly. You can swap it with either arrowroot starch or rice flour. 2 tablespoon jaggery powder or any sweetener of your choice. 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1 tablespoon oil. And now we'll give it a good mix. Into this dry mixture, we'll add in the flax gel. Flax gel is very nutritious, and also it works as a binder in this recipe and makes the bread soft and moist. Now we'll add 1 cup yogurt, and using your hand, give it a really nice mix. Now add 1/4 cup water. Continue mixing and form a dough. This dough doesn't require kneading, just combine everything and form a soft dough. Transfer this dough to a parchment paper lined loaf pan. Press it lightly and let the dough settle in the pan. Now brush some milk on top of the dough. Sprinkle some mixed seeds. I'm using pumpkin, sunflower and hemp seeds. Now place this dough in a preheated pan. Cover the pan and let it cook for around 50 to 60 minutes on low to medium heat. It's been 60 minutes, let's check on the bread. Insert a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean like this, the bread is ready. We'll let this bread cool completely. If you are looking for a healthy homemade bread recipe which is easy to make as well, this recipe is a must try. It's full of fiber, very nutritious, and apart from toasting and making sandwiches, it can be easily paired with your soups, dals and curries. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this ragi oat bread recipe. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below. For more such healthy and tasty recipes, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.